Hey guys, it is me, Ellie. This isn't actually the type of content I post. Don't mind about that. But I was getting bored, really bored in Gorilla Tag. Do you hear me, brother? Really bored. So I thought I'll do something special this time. I thought that I would play this Gorilla Tag knockoff. Well, it's a Gorilla Tag fan game, but it's horror, and it looks so much fun. People say it's so much fun, and it's so scary, and it's called Scary Baboon, and Okay guys, I kind of know I said Scary Baboon, and I tried to enter it, but it wasn't putting me in any public servers, and I was trying for 20 straight minutes. So I know I said the game will be Scary Baboon, but I've changed it to Fun Monkey Horror. Also, I'm really sorry that my mic quality is bad in the game. It's on App Lab if you guys want to get it for yourself. But yeah, before I start playing, because I haven't been on Gorilla Tag for a long time since it kind of sucks now, I'm going to go check out the new cosmetics, and I'll speed this part up because I know y'all wouldn't want to watch that. So, yeah. Guys, I just finished trying on all the cosmetics. I'm not gonna get any of this. I'm not gonna try that stuff on though. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna transition. See you guys there. Guys, just a head up, just so you guys know, these clips are like really bad because the game was like really glitchy and stuff. So the clips are really bad. And second of all, there's so many people in like the server I was in that you guys can't like really hear my voice. But I still hope you guys enjoy these clips.
Say hello, What contrast, bro? What contrast?
Guys,
I turned up my contrast. Hey,
guys.
Go! Yo, what's the other way?
If you let go,
I'm going back. Okay, no, screw it.
then you're not.
Turn my brightness all the way back up. That didn't upgrade. Alright.
Go on, babe.
Let's go.
Okay, stop.
I think.
We're just scared.
I'm gonna turn my contrast back down. I can't see anything, bro.
I've seen them all.
I'm gonna turn my
Where's the red one?
Oh, I can't see anything. I can turn my contrast all the way back down. You're gonna get twisted. White man, okay? They made the jump scare shorter.
Of course, it's
So people can't.
untitled.
The new update.
They made the jump scare
Is that
shorter
the
so
same
people can't see
update, guys?
it.
Is that the same update? Is
Yes.
that the same update?
No.
Guys, it looks familiar.
Already
Oh,
said
it's
that.
Dang.
No, like,
I got to jump scare.
Guys, it looks familiar. Guys, it looks familiar.
I'm playing
Guys, it's the
Guys,
same
no.
thing. It's the old. Guys, it's the same.
Understand.
Bill.
I'm getting close to right. Dude, I got cornered.
Nothing is scary, guys. Don't worry, I'm brave.
No point.
Guys, it's the old update.
Bro, I turned my contrast
Get
up to
back.
100. Bro, I turned my contrast up to 100 and my brightness is 0.
How do you
Bro,
Guys, move.
Wait, how do you find your contract? How do you find your contract?
Is it actually coming? Is it actually? No, is it actually? Wait, what? I don't see nothing.
Oh,
God.
my contrast! You're gonna touch me, but I couldn't one, but thank goodness I made it on time.
Cheeseburger.
I don't consider
Your turn. You got me. It's your turn. Your turn.
I can't change make amends. Okay, Mexican buildings over there and
They
so is
both
the white
stop.
man.
This side.
Mexican, give me your chasing me. What do you want to do?
No, he don't Oh crap.
How was your day, Joe?
You're bad. You're bad. I like it when they're in the woman. I like it when you're
Oh yeah, the nugget is going.
I got
I don't see nothing.
Say hello, Jesus.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Jesus. Say hello, Jesus.
He's not coming.
Say hello, Jesus. Lee, you got a lot of it. Go, go, go.
Dude, he was actually here. He was actually here.
Follow their voices.
Guys, come on. The monster can't hurt us. I don't have a shield.
He has a shield. I'll go get it.
Guys, come here. Everyone, guys, I have a shield. Listen, I have a shield, so the monster can't hurt us.
God, I hate that.
Okay.
I will pop the monster.
What
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity, skibbity toilet.
We're gonna name you Mini
Wait,
Hot Cheeto.
Guys,
You
the
ready to
ugly
go?
teeth.
I'm sorry.
Mini hot
Hot Cheetos! Wait for me! It was so scary! Hot Cheeto, wait for me! Wait for me, Hot Cheeto! Hot Cheeto! How dare you! Hot Cheeto! Guys, that's monkeys! Guys, that's monkeys!
Guys, that's mayonnaise. That's mayonnaise.
Hey, look, it's Mr. Red Tommy.
Go away, Hot Cheeto! We need
Red
mayonnaise!
Voldemort's over here, isn't he?
Hey there, boy!
That's why you're
Why is everyone just frozen?
And she's three.
Hey, look behind you! You robot! I'm Superman, baby! You will not! We're not scared of you! Why is this jump scare? I'm Peppa Pig. You wanna play my street? Some mini games? I guess he doesn't.
You saw it, buddy. You thought I was really good. You only boy.
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. That's what you. When you can't. Everybody. Don't go over there yet. Hello. Has no.
Apollo Creed. What am I hearing? Why am I hearing screaming? Why am I hearing screaming?
Behind us, guys! He's behind us!
No, he's not. Y'all are just
Yes, he is!
Easter Bunny.
That looks like Barney.
Where's the Easter Bunny?
Barney the dinosaur.
Yo, what our team is called SEAL Team 6.
He killed
Okay, we are
Backpack.
SEAL Team 6.
Come
on,
he
boys.
killed Backpack.
SEAL Team 6, let's go. Actually, no, our team's called the Queebies.
Up, guys,
Queebies, let's go.
up.
Queebies, Queebies, let's go. Queebies.
Yeah, let's.
How much people that fly around butt cheek, squeaky dink, snaky link,
I'll give
pretty
you a
dink?
snack.
Oh, yo. Alright, Queebies, let's go, Queebies.
Why is he so mean?
Let's take a I just heard a screaming.
And what the signal?
It's finding a way up here. It's Oh, Skibbity.hub.
He's not here.
Oh, for Christmas. Guys, we go this way. We don't this way. This way. This way.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Run!
Just scared the booty slap out of me. Go back. Skibbity, just like Skibbity. Skibbity.
Oh, it's not Cheeto.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Guys, I see Cheeto. Hot
Wait for me! Wait for me! Jalapeno!
Wait for me, halal. No.
I'm scared.
Let's fight. Come on.
Cheeto, why are you screaming?
I'm ready. Yo, Chad, is this real? Chad, is this real?
Oh my God.
Yo, Chad, is this real?
Chad,
Chad, is this real? Yo, Chad.
Okay, Chad is such a bobcat. Guys, it is
Chad, is this
Chad.
real? Chad, is this real?
Mom, where are you? I'm gonna bop you.
Yo, Chad.
I'm gonna bop you tomorrow.
Chad, don't be scared.
We'll bop you.
Walk your way down.
Nothing's coming. Nothing's just kidding. He's not coming. He's coming. Guys, Hot Cheeto's coming.
Bro, everybody died. Oh my God.
Guys, we almost died from Hot Cheeto.
Guys, come on. You
I
gotta
better
hunt
Hot
Hot
Cheeto
Cheeto.
screaming.
You gotta find Hot Cheeto.
Hot Cheeto. Hot Cheeto's the screaming one.
That's Domino's.
Wait, wait for it to go away.
Oh, wait,
Everybody
that
just
is
go away.
Domino's.
Wait for it to go away.
Guys, we're gonna name the next box. The one that is screaming is Hot Cheeto. The one that's right there, we're gonna name it Domino. Hey!
Oh, mustard.
And that was gonna be named Granny.
Oh, he got
This
cornered.
one right here is Blue
Guys,
Dot.
come on, let's go search for Hot Cheeto.
Down there.
Let's go in here.
Come on,
Let's go
brothers.
search for Hot Cheeto. Let's search for Hot Cheeto. Come on.
Hot Cheeto, where's Hot Cheeto? I wanna see Hot Cheeto.
Oh, mustard.
I saw mustard.
Mustard, where are you? Wait, it's Hot
How'd you get
Cheeto.
mustard?
Bad boy. Which one's
Get back
mustard?
here.
Guys, so this, we're gonna name the next box. So some of the next boxes are,
go through
so
here.
the one that
Go
is
through here
screaming
where
is
we
gonna be
go.
named Cheeto,
Go
Hot
through here.
Cheeto. Oh my God.
Where's Hot Cheeto? Hot Cheeto? Is Hot Cheeto coming? Is Hot Cheeto coming?
Where's
Hot
Hot
Cheeto?
Cheeto? Over here. Hot Cheeto. Over here.
Why are you laughing at me?
Come on, guys, over here.
Why, hold on.
I know, this is the place. This
Where
is
are
the
you
spawn.
guys
Wait,
at?
wait,
Hot
wait.
Red, turn tiny again. Red, turn tiny
I am
again.
tiny, you goober. Tiny.
Red.
Don't
Turn
turn around.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, where's Hot Cheeto?
Come on, butt cheek. So weird.
I think not over there. Coast is clear.
28 wings in the closet. 28.
Hey,
How do you get mods?
You have to buy
I saw him take someone away. He took one of our
takes a
team
lot
members
of
away.
like you have to buy, but it takes like in this the game.
He took one of our team members away.
This one was $1 million. The other one was like 10,000. Oh my god! Speed of light.
He looks hot. I want to kiss.
Oh my god!
So everybody come here. Everybody come here.
Oh my daddy, what the daddy, what the daddy, what the son?
Everybody come in here.
Wipe the dog. Hey,
Someone save me. Eat me. I'm coming. I'm Superman. That's where you lie. Superman's coming.
oh my god!
Superman.
I just saw something. Don't run into the holes.
Who's Superman? I'm Superman. No.
I can fly.
Give it here.
What's wrong with the color white?
I can fly right now. It's coming.
I love Spider-Man. He's coming.
Oh my goodness.
There's
a monkey chasing us. I'm Iron Man.
Thank you. Help me. My shirt is flying.
Oh my god! I hear his booty cheeks! Superman,
That scared the life out of me. Are shaking. What the blue? What the What in the skibbity dub dub? What the somebody Rizzo Ohio?
For some reason, I like getting jump scared by this. Oh no, I'm Spooderman.
Shut up, y'all.
Hey, come on, eat me down, dude.
You don't have the balls.
Nick.
I believe I can fly. Behind you.
Look back.
Toilet.
Always look behind you when you're over here.
I'm Skibbity Toilet.
Mario.
I'm Spooderman, the one and only.
Come on, eat me down, dude. I bet you know how to break me down. Come on, eat me down, dude. Come on, eat me down, dude. You know how to get down. Eat me down, dude. You don't have the ball.
Skibbity Toilet.
Scooter Mom.
I'm in the toilet. Master Yahoo.
Come on, eat me down, dude. Eat me down, dude. You don't have the ball. I just saw that white guy. Michael Jackson.
Hey, homie.
Come on, eat me down, dude. You don't have the
Oh, I'm tired, bro.
Oh my god.
You give me the heebie-jeebies.
Is that Jeffrey? Hey, it's my buddy, Jeffrey. Hi, matey.
Alright guys, that concludes the video. I am literally so tired out. So I want to thank you guys if you guys watched like those whole clips, because I understand if you guys didn't, because those clips were really long and I have way too many. I'll try to do better in my other videos, because this isn't the only Gorilla Tag or like VR video I'll make, because this was actually really fun to make, and I appreciate all of you guys for watching. But just one thing, in some of these clips, I kind of like stepped out my boundary a bit, so it showed a bit of my like house. I don't know if I imported those clips or not. I can't really remember, but if I did, I apologize for that. And I know you guys didn't really hear my voice. There was like 1,000 kids in the lobby. Like, I can't believe they made the lobbies like with that much people. Like, you guys could see there was like too many people. So that's why you guys couldn't hear my voice. And also, the game was like really glitchy, so that was probably also the reason why. But I think I also forgot to put like the voice thing on for my clips, so that's probably why you guys didn't hear my voice. So I'm sorry if it wasn't as enjoyable, since you guys didn't hear me, and it was also super loud. I really apologize for that. But again, thank you guys so much if you guys stay till the end of this video. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a good sleep and good night.